Welcome to Module 14, our final module in this, our last class together before you take the final of CCSW6368, Social Work Practice with Organizations and Communities. I am awfully proud of you for sticking with this class this long. It's been a great class and we have had an awesome time. At least I have. I hope you have as well. I hope you've learned a lot and that this has been really worth your experience, your time and energy, and frankly your money. Brueggemann says, on every continent and in virtually every nation, international social workers engage the most difficult problems people face. In this chapter, you'll explore the practice of social work in the poorest nations of the world. You'll learn what the practice of social work at the global level consists of. You'll review a history of international social work. You'll learn about global social problems, including the population explosion, poverty, slavery, the manufacturing of violence, refugees, and the destruction of the global ecosystem. You'll explore a number of arenas in which social workers offer assistance. You'll learn how to use the internet in international social work practice. You'll learn how you can get involved in international social work practice, assisting members of the world's poor and destitute nations, strengthening their communities, overcoming poverty, and engaging in social change on a global scale. In other words, we're going to be talking about international social work in this chapter. So satisfactory completion of this module requires that you read the final 4 chapters of Brueggemann, read an excerpt from Jean Thomas's book about Christian community development in Haiti, watch 3 videos about international social workers. One is Jember Tafora from Addis Ababa, who's doing some amazing things in Ethiopia, but a woman who personally was arrested and thrown in prison for a long time for nothing. Frankly, she was just a political prisoner, but who loves Jesus and really wants to serve him by serving the poorest of the poor. I've had the chance to meet her on numerous occasions. Father Ben Beltran, another friend of mine or acquaintance of mine, works in a Manila dump in the Philippines where people are finding hope. The dump is called Smoky Mountain, and there people are learning to find themselves and to escape the deepest poverty possible. And finally, you get to see the author of the chapter you read, Jean Thomas, as he talks about Christian community development in Haiti and some of the things that they've done there. After that, you'll complete exercise 14.5. You'll participate in the final class discussion board. You'll take the final quiz, the dreaded 10-minute, 10-question quiz, and then you'll reflect back on your learning goals to assess whether or not you completed what you endeavored to learn in this class. This is my post-test, so to speak. After completion of this module, you'll be ready to take the final exam, which has its own separate section, so you want to watch for that section down to the left on Blackboard at the very bottom. There's a study guide that I've put there to help you with that exam so that you are prepared, but you'll want to go back and look at all the second half of class quiz answers so that you can prepare for those, and then you'll have a couple essay questions and you'll be well prepared if you do the study guide and take the time to do the study. Write it out in advance, know what you want to say, and be prepared so that when I ask the questions, you'll know what I'm looking for. Now, for the final discussion board, we're thinking about international development. So let's ask the question or answer the questions, what is meant by development? What positive benefits has development provided? What negative consequences has it had? And can development be used to help poor people in poorer nations enter modernity? Finally, let me say that it was my privilege to have had you in this class this semester. This is a tough class, tough material, and sometimes you've had to really work diligently to make it through. And you've done so with very deep thoughts and innovative insights along the way. I'm honored to have taught you and hope that this class makes a huge difference in your career as you serve Jesus and his kingdom via the discipline of social work and community ministries. May God bless you in your future work, and please stay in touch. Let me know if there's more that I can do for you down the road. God bless you. Bye-bye.